I tried YouTube Shorts for 24 hours, and here's how I managed my brand new channel with zero experience. Hour 1. Starting this journey, the first step was to find a niche that resonated with my interests and had the potential for engagement. However, being new to this, I wasn't sure which niche would work best. To overcome this, I employed a smart strategy. I opened a private browsing window to avoid personal data influencing my search. This way, I could identify the most trending short videos on YouTube without any bias from my browsing history. I scrolled through the Shorts page for around 30 minutes, closely analyzing videos with the highest likes and comments. This examination revealed a pattern: the repurpose niche. This niche involves creating videos using content from existing viral channels. It seemed like a promising direction. Hour 2 and 3, with the niche decided, the next step was to find an appropriate channel name. Drawing inspiration from the successful channel SunnyV2, I crafted my channel name, Danox7. The branding journey continued with logo and banner creation. I opted for Canva.com, a free tool known for its user-friendly design features. While logos and banners may not be prominently displayed in Shorts, it's still important to create a visually appealing identity for the channel. Hour 4. Content selection and voiceover generation. Selecting the right content is crucial. I dove into SunnyV2's latest videos and identified a potential gem. Salt Bay's empire is starting to collapse. This video had gained 4 million views in just 2 weeks, indicating its appeal to the audience. To create my version of the video, I copied the script using the transcript feature. ChatGPT came in handy here. I asked it to condense the script into a concise 150 words that highlighted the best parts of the content. Once the script was ready, I used 11labs.io to generate an AI voiceover. This AI voiceover tool aimed to provide a natural-sounding voice that would captivate the viewers. Hour 5. Even in the midst of experimentation, life's simple pleasures remain important. I took a break for lunch, enjoying a delicious meal cooked by my mother. Hour 6. With the script and voiceover prepared, it was time to weave them into a cohesive video. For editing, I used CapCut. Integrating the AI voiceover with the downloaded video from SunnyV2 required careful attention to timing and synchronization. I adjusted the video's aspect ratio to make it suitable for Shorts, which have a vertical orientation, 9:16. Trimming the clips to match the voiceover was crucial for a seamless viewing experience. These clips were deliberately short, ranging from 1 to 5 seconds to maintain viewer engagement. Additionally, I strategically placed an attention-grabbing image of Salt Bay, the central character, at the beginning of the video. A cheek pop sound effect was added to pique viewers' curiosity while scrolling through their feeds. Furthermore, I incorporated captions using the auto caption feature to cater to a wider audience, including those who watch videos without sound. Hour 8. With the edited video complete, I turned my attention to its publication on YouTube. Crafting a powerful title was essential, as it serves as a crucial signal to the YouTube algorithm about the content's nature. RapidTags.io came in handy for generating relevant tags that could enhance the video's discoverability. Description optimization is another key aspect of YouTube SEO. Utilizing VidIQ, a renowned SEO tool for video publishing, I crafted a description that provided context and engaged potential viewers. Categorizing the video under people and blogs and scheduling it for 9 p.m. was a practical decision, although the timing was chosen somewhat randomly. Hour 23. As the experiment neared its completion, the results began to surface. The video garnered 5 subscribers and 5,000 views, indicating that the YouTube algorithm had successfully directed the content to the right audience. However, the average view duration stood at 68%, indicating a room for improvement in terms of viewer engagement. This could be attributed to the script not being engaging enough or the video editing requiring more finesse. Despite this, the experiment provided valuable insights into the chosen niche's potential for channel growth and personal satisfaction. Armed with this knowledge, I am determined to put more effort into scripting and editing for upcoming videos, aiming to enhance viewer engagement and overall content quality. It demonstrated that with strategic choices, creativity, and persistence, even those without prior experience can navigate the world of content creation and find success in their chosen niche. The journey has just begun, and I look forward to sharing more insights and progress in the future. Stay tuned for exciting developments. Peace out!